In today's dynamic educational landscape, teachers are continuously seeking innovative approaches to engage their students and enhance learning outcomes. One such powerful strategy gaining popularity is the station rotation model, which is considered to be a flexible and student-centered instructional approach. In this video, we will explore the concept of a station rotation, its background, theoretical underpinnings, implementation strategies, benefits, and challenges in modern classroom. What is station rotation model? It's a type of blended learning approach where students rotate between different learning stations, both inside and outside of the educational building. The classroom is divided into multiple stations and the teacher determines the rotation schedule. Each station has a different assignment, but they all have the same learning goal. The activities at these stations can be done individually or in group, or with the teacher's guidance. Additionally, there is usually one station where online learning is used. Station rotation model has its roots in the early 2000s when technology started to transform educational practices. Initially embraced in online and distance education settings, the concept gained attraction as educators realized its potential to cater to diverse learning styles and personalized instructions. Over time, station rotation has evolved to encompass a broader range of subject and grade levels from elementary to higher education. Like other concepts I discuss in this channel, the station rotation model is based on several theoretical perspectives that inform its design and implementation. For example, one of them is constructivism, which emphasizes active engagement and the construction of knowledge by learners. By participating in hands-on activities and collaborating with others, students can construct their understanding of the subject matter. It also includes a social learning theory, which highlights the importance of social interaction and observation in the learning process. In this case, students can develop their skills and knowledge by observing and learning from others. And finally, zone of proximal development, which refers to the range of tasks that students can perform with guidance and support of more knowledgeable others, such as teacher or peer. In this model, students can receive individualized attention and support at different stations, allowing them to work at their own pace and receive assistance when needed. Let's talk about the strategies you should take into account while implementing the model. The first step is to divide classroom into different stations, where students can move between them. There should be at least 2 stations, and each station should have a different assignment, but with the same learning goal. The teacher plays a crucial role in the station rotation model by occupying one of the stations and providing one-on-one training to students. This personalized attention helps students in their learning process. Blend individual and collaborative activities, meaning the activities at each station can be both individual and collaborative. Students can work independently or in groups, and the teacher can be also present at the station to provide guidance and support. One of the stations in the rotation model should involve online learning. This allows students to engage with digital resources and the tools, enhancing their learning experience. Use a timer and a set schedule to ensure that students rotate between stations and spend an appropriate amount of time at each. This helps in maintaining a structured schedule and keep students on track. And finally, don't forget to tailor instruction to students' needs. Okay, so to make it more understandable, I'll try to make an example. Let's imagine that I need to plan the organization of a surface water treatment course. First thing first, I'll start from defining my learning objectives. So my learning objectives are that the students will be able to understand the principles and the processes of surface water treatment, analyze the various treatment methods used to purify surface water for human consumption, evaluate the significance of water quality monitoring and the compliance with regulatory standards, and applying theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios and designing effective water treatment strategies. Not only I implement the station rotation model, but I also flip the class, meaning that the students come to the class already prepared. It will be easier if I show you the whole concept. Okay, overall I am arranging 5 stations: online learning, laboratory experiment, teacher-led discussion, problem solving, and presentation and debate. In online learning station, students will delve into theoretical foundations of surface water treatment. They will have access to reading materials, research papers, and online resources to explore the fundamental principles and the processes involved in treating surface water. Also, the pre-recorded short videos can be provided. I would also check a student's understanding by providing puzzles and adding check your knowledge section. Next, they will go to a lab experiment station, which offers hands-on experience. They can engage in lab experiments simulating surface water treatment processes, because collaborative activities within this station encourage teamwork and critical thinking as students work together to analyze and interpret experimental data. The teacher-led discussion stations will provide an opportunity for one-on-one interactions. Students can seek personalized guidance from the instructor, clarify doubts, and receive feedback on their understanding of surface water treatment concepts. And at the problem-solving station, students will engage in problem-solving activities related to surface water treatment. They will work individually or in small groups to tackle practical challenges, apply theoretical knowledge, and propose effective treatment strategies. And finally, at the presentation and debate station, students can express their ideas and they engage in discussions. Students will prepare presentations on current issues in surface water treatment and participate in debates, developing and improving their communication and presentation skills. As you could notice from my example, the station rotation model offers numerous benefits, such as personalized learning experiences, increased engagement, flexibility in instruction, and promotion of active learning. However, as with any approach, it also presents challenges related to technology, classroom management, and teacher preparation, time management, assessment, and resource constraints. If you acknowledge these challenges and proactively address them, you can actually maximize the benefits of station rotation model and create an effective and enriching blended learning environment for the students. I hope this video was informative, and if so, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in future videos.